Which microSD card is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, SanDisk 256GB Ultra. Let's kick things off with the SanDisk 256GB Ultra microSD UHSI card. Priced at $59.99, this card really stands out with its impressive read speeds of up to 195 megabytes per second. If you want massive storage for your device without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 256 gigabytes capacity lets you store not just your photos, but also hours of full HD videos, movies, and even games. The UHSI rating ensures that your data transfers are quick, meaning less waiting time and more enjoyment. Plus, with features like being waterproof, temperature-proof, and even magnetic-proof, this card is built to last. It has a solid 4.7-star rating from over 1,000 reviews, and it's a bestseller for a reason. Now, some people complained about the slightly higher price compared to smaller capacity cards. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about storage, the investment is worth it for the convenience it brings. You won't have to worry about running out of space mid-trip or during important moments. This is perfect for you if you need reliable and extensive storage for your smart devices, cameras, or laptops. Skip this one if you're only looking for basic storage or have a limited budget. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious buyers looking for great value without sacrificing quality. Product number 2, SanDisk 64GB Ultra. Next up is the SanDisk 64GB Ultra microSD UHSI card, retailing at a budget-friendly $23.99. This card grabbed my attention with its capability to read at speeds of up to 145 megabytes per second. If you want a reliable card that won't empty your wallet, this one deserves your attention. This card is perfect for everyday use, whether you're capturing full HD videos or just need extra space for your smartphone. The 64 gigabyte storage capacity can hold thousands of photos or hours of video, which is great if you're not a heavy user. The A1 rating means it loads apps faster, ideal for gaming or using heavy applications. Plus, it's built to withstand the elements. It's magnetic-proof, waterproof, and temperature-proof. With over 1,000 reviews and a 4.7-star rating, it's clearly a crowd favorite. Now, some users mentioned it could be a bit slower when transferring large files. But honestly, for everyday tasks and the price point, that's not a deal breaker. Most users won't even notice it. This is perfect for you if you need solid performance without spending too much. Skip this one if you require a massive storage capacity or if you're looking to record 4K videos regularly. Now, if the previous card's capacity was a bit low for your needs, this next one takes the storage up a notch while keeping affordability in mind. Product number 3, SanDisk 128GB Ultra. Moving on to the SanDisk 128GB Ultra microSD UHSI memory card, priced at $36.50. This card shines with its impressive read speeds of up to 140 megabytes per second. If you want a balance between capacity and price, this one is worth considering. With 128 gigabytes of storage, you can easily save thousands of photos and hours of full HD video. The A1 performance rating ensures that you can load your apps quickly, which is essential for a smooth experience on your smartphone or tablet. Additionally, it's compatible with a wide range of devices, making it an incredibly versatile choice. The 4.7-star rating from 268,500 reviews shows that users trust this product. Now, some complaints mention that the actual read speeds may vary on different devices. But here's the thing. If you're using it with compatible devices, you should still experience great performance. It's just that results can differ based on how you're using it. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable card for both photography and app performance without spending too much. Skip this one if you need even more storage, like for video editing or gaming. Alright, that was a solid choice. But if you're looking for something that can handle 4K video recording, the next card on my list is specifically designed for that. Product number 4, SanDisk 128GB Ultra Alternate. Next, We have another option from SanDisk, the 128GB Ultra Micro SDXC UHSI memory card at a price of $29.91. What caught my interest here is both its performance and the fact it has a slightly different design. If you want something that's effective and reliable, keep listening. This card also boasts read speeds up to 140 megabytes per second, making it ideal for storing high-resolution photos and full HD videos. The capacity allows you to keep your media library handy, and the ability to load apps faster means you won't have to deal with frustrating delays. It's also backed by a 10-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind. With a rating of 4.8 stars from 69,600 reviews, it's clear this card has pleased a lot of users. However, some reviews pointed out that the card can be sensitive to certain reader devices. But honestly, this is a minor issue that most users won't encounter unless they're using older tech. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and well-reviewed card at a great price. Skip this one if you need the very latest technology or larger storage capacity for extensive projects. And if you're looking for something top tier that handles high-resolution recording, the next card is specifically built for that. Product number 5, SanDisk 256GB Extreme. Finally, let's check out the SanDisk 256GB Extreme Micro SDXC UHSI memory card, priced at $65.99. This card stands out with its impressive read speeds up to 190 megabytes per second and is rated for 4K UHD video recording. If you need serious performance for high-quality content, this is definitely worth a look. The Extreme model is perfect for action cameras, drones, and smartphones, especially if you're capturing 4K or 5K videos. The fast write speeds of up to 130 megabytes per second mean you won't miss any critical moments when shooting in burst mode. Plus, it's built to handle tough conditions, temperature-proof and waterproof, so you can take it anywhere without worry. With a stellar rating of 4.8 stars from 147,700 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among serious users. Now, some users mention the price is a bit higher than standard cards. But honestly, if you're into high-definition photography or videography, the investment pays off with the performance you get. This is perfect for you if you're a content creator or someone who requires reliable high speeds for recording. Skip this one if you simply need basic storage for everyday tasks. In conclusion, whether you're looking for budget options or high-performance cards, there's something for everyone among these 5. Just consider your needs, and you'll find the right micro SD card for you. To recap, we've looked at the SanDisk 256GB Ultra, the 64GB Ultra, the 128GB Ultra, the alternate 128GB Ultra, and the 256GB Extreme. Each card has its strengths, whether you're on a budget or need top-tier performance. Choose what fits your needs best, and you won't be disappointed.